Are you looking to start working in AI but don't have technical experience? Let's talk about the top 5 remote jobs in AI training that beginners can apply. First, we have data annotation. This is where you label images, text, or audio so AI can learn. It's simple, detail oriented, and many companies hire worldwide. Second, language or LLM evaluation. Here, you read AI responses and judge which one is better, clearer, or more accurate. If you're fluent in English or another language, this is a great option. Third, audio and voice data training. You might transcribe speech, label emotions in audio, or even record your own voice. It's flexible and doesn't require advanced skills. Fourth, content and quality review. This means checking AI generated content, making sure it's safe, correct, and follow guidelines. It's perfect if you have strong critical thinking. And fifth, virtual assistant roles for AI teams. You'll help organize datasets, manage simple tools, or support annotators. It's a great entry point if you're organized and tech savvy. The best part, all of these jobs can be done from home, and they open the door for more advanced roles in the AI industry. So, if you've been wanting to get started in AI, these 5 beginners friendly roles are the perfect way to break in.